So hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to install driver booster 9 and activate with the key. So let's get started. So first thing you need to do, install your driver booster. So I have downloaded the browser on Chrome browser. So you can simply download and install like me. So here if you want iTop VPN, you can simply click, you don't need, you can uncheck and click on install button. If you like to try Deslan, you can simply try on. I skip on this. Let's down. It's installing. So just wait. So here you can see this icon driver booster 9. So it's installing and I think it's verifying the program. Let's refresh once time. So here you can see the instruction. Let's scan now. And here you can see simply free. So right now it's scanning. Okay, so I have key. I can give you in the description. You can simply install. So here are my keys. Let's try to activate. So boom guys, you can see the license has been activated successfully. So let's manage. Over here you can see 179, like 6 months. You got 6 months in free. So here you can see pro version. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, because it's very humble request to subscribe my YouTube channel. It's very new. So bye bye.